Welcome to the Matt and Mitra Show. Today we're going to give you the 411 on KSU's 1101.
Each and every year, freshmen and sophomores will constantly complain about the same thing.
Kennesaw State's University's registering for classes program sucks. I mean, we can't even get the basic classes we need without fighting for them. Like, students constantly find themselves frantically looking through the course registration sheet when they realize that their desired class had already been filled up or their priority teacher had been taken. But we will now tell you guys some steps to help lessen the stress of this problem.
First off, what you could do is you can make a rough draft of a schedule of the desired classes that you might want to take.
If your first schedule fails, try to make a backup one just in case. For instance, on mine, I made this, ignore the Pokeball. You can't even see it really, but there's various schedule listings on here. And I made more than one backup schedule just in case, so I didn't want to freak out about it. But you should definitely try and know your professor first and get to know the workload and info about the class. Ask yourself, do I really need to take this class? What am I getting myself into? Will this class be harder for me to learn because of the selected teacher's teaching style? And Demetria, tell them about the description of classes that you can find. It's on the, isn't it on the Kennesaw website, right?
Yeah, it's on there. It should be on there. But also, one thing you could do is you could go schedule an appointment with an advisor and talk to them. Make sure that you're in the right classes and that you're not taking classes that aren't going to be towards your major. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Right. So.
True. And on the website, they do have it in the PDF format, so you should be able to open it pretty easily. You might find that when your class is taken, like why would it be taken? There's a few factors that result from this. Demetri, you want to take it from here?
Upperclassmen such as juniors and seniors, along with those who work on campus, get early registration. Athletes get early registration, so everyone needs to fulfill their core requirements. Some wait to the last minute to take up on some things, and the classes fill up very fast. So you need to get on top of it and make sure that when you have a scheduled time that you get in there and get it done right then and there, or your class might be gone next time you go to check. For instance, want to show them the AliExpress?
Oh, yeah. For instance, I looked up KSU, not KSU, English 1102, and from all these, notice that the red box in the corner is red, and that means it's closed, and unfortunately, there are not a lot of English classes available for the 1102 as of spring semester 2010. So, I mean, that's just the stuff you take if you guys just wait it out. But I heard that if the selected teacher for the class is highly recommended, that people will try and take that class just to have an easy way out and also just to kind of make their year easier. Let's see, is there anything else? Was there anything on that list? Anything else? I think we covered it. Next part, we're going to introduce a few students here at KSU, and we're going to get their feedback on what it's like registering for classes, what's the difference between a freshman registering and an upperclassman, to see how easy it is. So we will get back to you in a short minute.